Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create smooth transitions inside of CapCut. So we're first just going to head over to the CapCut application and we're going to come to create new project. Once we're inside of the application, we just need to drag our video footage over to the timeline here, and for this demonstration I'll just be using some stock footage. Once you have your video footage in the timeline, then just resize this to how you want this displayed, and then go ahead and drag all of the rest of your footage on the same layer on the timeline. Once you have all of your video footage on the timeline here and resized, then we're going to go ahead and add some transitions. Now, in order for a transition to be classified as smooth, then really you shouldn't notice the transition. You should be able to jump scene from scene without actually noticing that there was a cut in the editing. So if you're new to transitions, we just need to come over to transitions at the top here, and a good starting transition that you can use is the blur transition. So go ahead and search for blur in the search box up here, then there'll be a bunch of blur transitions that we can choose from. So let me drag this first blur effect over to our first clip here. And now, as you can see, that transition will be applied between the first and second clip. So if I play this video footage now, you can see that the footage blurs into the second clip. Now you can also adjust the duration of the transition just by holding down your left mouse button and dragging this over to the right or left. And then we're going to do the same for this video footage at the end here, just by applying another blur transition. So for this one, let me try this color blur down here. Let's see what that looks like. And as you can see, it's not the smoothest of transitions, so I'm going to get rid of that one. Let me try this bubble blur down here. You can see that looks a lot more smoother, but again, you'll just have to play around with these options to find what works for your project. Once you've finished, you can just export your video at the top here, and that's how you create smooth transitions inside of CapCut. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.